It's new tool time. So for you guys, automotive HVAC guys know about this, but for you guys in automotive, if you want to know what a good tool is for taking your temperature of your, say, your dash or refrigerant lines, it's these right here, field piece. So you've seen me use these these are new ones. I'm replacing my old ones because my old ones I'm just starting to have problems with one of my tips. I dropped it from a really tall height, and after that it didn't work well. I just had one of these starting to tweak out on me, and I've used these for a couple years now, and they've been beat and abused really bad. I had my switch finally start to break in the back, and I could get down there with a pair of pliers and switch it back and forth, but my switch finally broke after several hundred uses. So I could say it's lived its life really well. And then the clamps. So on automotive, what this is good for, since I have 4 of these things now, well, three work good, one's having a problem. Your front dash, when you're taking temperatures on cars, this is for recording for your customers as proof that it's working. So you could have a vehicle that has the front evaporator. You could have the part with the long duct that goes to the rear passenger on the rear passenger for the duct coming out of the back. And then you use your third one for the rear evaporator for the temperature that comes up through the vents through the ceiling for the rear, like in vans and SUVs. You would have 4 of these for your clamps going to your liquid line, going to your rear evaporator, and your suction line from your rear evaporator, and your front evaporator and rear evaporator, so you can know that both evaporators and both expansion valves are metering properly. And so that's it. Just a little update on TruTech Tools is a good place to go. Since many of you cannot get any of this kind of stuff locally, and some people are afraid to buy stuff on the internet, one trusted website that I can tell you that I've been buying from for years was TruTech Tools. So if you want to purchase these and you're not sure where to buy online that you can trust, I could tell you TruTech Tools is the place that I've gone for years. So that's it. Just time for getting more, because even my backups are starting to get beat up. So replace your tools before they actually break.